Ayan, today is my birthday. It's my 60th birthday. Senior na po ako ngayon. So, with me is my grandchildren, my mga niece and everyone. Ayan. So, we're celebrating my 60th birthday here at Dampa Express Seafoods, Trinidad, Baguio City. So, here they are. Ganun kayo. Ayan. Ayan na po sila. Ayan. So, those are my grandchildren and nieces and my sister.
Picture ko kayo, sir.
Yeah, okay. Ha? So, ayan. Masaya po dahil dumating ang aking mga pamangkin, mga grandchildren and kapatid to celebrate with me. Treat nila ako birthday ko ngayon. Ayan. So, I'm happy I'm 60 years old now. So, thank God for my life. Ayan. So, it's good to be turning 60. Ayan. Okay? Ayan. Hi kayo dito lahat. Ayan. Ayan. Picture. Wow, Emery. Ayan, Trinity. Ayan. Look at here. Ayan. Picture na tayo. Ayan, so ito na ang pagkain namin. Kasya ba yan sa atin lahat? Yes, kasyang kasya. Ayan. Ayan, dito na po. So, okay, let's eat na po. Let's eat na tayo.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday to you.
Ayan, so ito na po, kainan na po tayo dahil tapos ng seremonya. And welcome to my 60th birthday celebration here at Dampa Express Seafood Restaurant. Ayan. So, dito po yung napili ng ating brother and my sister. They're going to treat me for my birthday. So, thank you so much. Thank you po sa kanila. Ayan. Ayan. Thank you, brother. Thank you so much. Ayan. Thank you. Ayan. They're my sponsor today. They share their blessing. Okay? So, come on, ito na po tayo. Kain na. Ayan. Kainan na. Happy birthday!